Hi everybody, James Wolf with Hawk Mazda of Joliet. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Mazda i-ACTIVSENSE. What i-ACTIVSENSE is basically a full umbrella suite of different safety features to help keep you and your family safe when driving. One of those features is lane departure warning with lane keep assist. So basically if it senses you drifting across the lines, it'll show you when you're drifting and it'll actually nudge you back towards the center of the lane. You also have side blind zone alert. Side blind zone alert will light up in your mirrors when somebody's in your blind spot, like that. It'll also show you in the bottom corners of these little road lines here when somebody's in your blind spot. As you've heard the beeping, there's also rear cross traffic alert. So when there's a vehicle coming from your right or left, you'll hear the beep that we just heard, and in the corners there'll be a little highlight that shows you to, hey, take a look in behind you because somebody's coming. Just like this. As you can see, there's the rear cross traffic alert. So come see me, James Wolf, at Hawk Mazda, and we'll take one for a test drive, kind of show you how these different features will help keep you and your family safe in your everyday daily driving. Hawk Mazda of Joliet.